Are you ready to refresh your body, boost your energy, and detox naturally? Say hello to Neolife Aloe Vera Plus. Imagine a serene green field, aloe vera plants, and a glass of aloe vera juice. This is where your journey to wellness begins. Neolife Aloe Vera Plus is a premium health drink packed with benefits. Contains aloe vera gel for a gentle, natural detox. Herbal extracts support digestion, while its delicious, refreshing taste is something you'll love. This drink is designed to enhance your well-being. Neolife Aloe Vera Plus is more than just a drink. It's your partner for better digestion, improved energy levels, and total body cleansing. Picture yourself enjoying a vibrant life, feeling energetic and revitalized. This is the power of Neolife Aloe Vera Plus. Take control of your health today. Order Neolife Aloe Vera Plus and experience the difference. Call or WhatsApp us at +2349049452177. Learn more on our blog at gnldneolifepeacehub.blogspot.com. Follow us for updates on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. Aloe Vera Plus, your natural way to detox, refresh, and energize. Experience the transformation today.